you? How was your day? We may be different, but also the same.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Georgia Emergency Management Agency. The Georgia Emergency Management Agency has declared a state of emergency. I repeat, a state of emergency for Grady and Thomas counties. Due to excessive traffic along U.S. County Roads 301 and Interstate 12. Massive amount of cars can lead to someone getting trapped and in some cases, death. Residents on US County Road 301 and Interstate 12 must stay shelter in place.